Honorable Supreme Court of India in WPC number 360 of 2021 in Kishan Chand versus Union of India and others have given directions to Central Information Commission and to all the state information commissions that online e-filing facilities for appeals and complaints should be provided to the citizens. Number 2, hybrid mode of hearing should also be provided for appeals and complaint cases. And number 3, citizen-centric web portals should be developed. And lastly, virtual courtrooms should also be provided so that there will be ease of services for the citizens. In case of Manipur Information Commission, we have been providing hybrid mode of hearing since June 2021. In this mode of hearing, we not only do physical hearing of cases, but we provide facilities for video conferencing, and litigant can join through our official WhatsApp. And in case of very remote and where connectivity is poor, they can even join the hearing through audio facility, basically through mobile phones. And for e-filing of complaints and appeals, we have provided our email and WhatsApp. Through this, they can do the e-filing. But for improving this filing of appeals and complaints, we have upgraded by this thing with consultation of DIT. Today we are launching this web page through our e-district, through which online filing of appeals and complaints can be done through this URL link, www.eservicesmanipur.gov.in or eservicesmanipur2.mn.gov.in, complaints and appeals. And we are also trying to develop a more citizen-centric portal for the Manipur Information Commission, and we are in touch with NIC Manipur, and hopefully by the beginning of January next year we'll be able to have a more citizen-centric web portal through ambraco.cms platform, and we will be approaching our government for this thing, for developing a virtual court in due course, so that there will be ease of service and streamlined sort of this thing, assistance to all the litigants. Thank you.
Appeal ki format to ne data dakar wi kai to complete appeal duna dakar wi me am hapchin laga koi na mandatory oi ba oi da ma am masata na to na thok rani hap to bi ada bu na hap to bi aro mandatory oi da bu na pass on to sa khani du magi dakar oi ba document ama koi na front page te pi appeal thabam tam na si me am chi loina rakadab ne hai bo loina rakadab me am do PDF format to da likewise aduna complaint gi du su ina kitang layan ba hai tare ko